Hello everyone and welcome back to another painting session. Today we're going to create a bright and uplifting landscape filled with sunshine, towering flowers, dramatic clouds, and a winding path that leads the viewer deep into the scene. This painting is all about perspective, light, and the feeling of standing in the middle of a beautiful summer meadow, looking up toward an endless blue sky. I begin by painting the sky. Using a rich blue at the top of the canvas, I gradually blend in more white as I move downward. This smooth transition creates a natural atmospheric effect, making the sky appear deeper and more realistic. The gradual lightening of the color also helps establish the strong sunlight that will illuminate the entire scene. Next, with a smaller brush and pure white paint, I start shaping soft, scattered clouds across the sky. Since the background is still wet, the white gently blends into the blue, creating soft edges and subtle transitions that resemble real clouds drifting through the atmosphere. Near the horizon, I paint the clouds closer together and slightly more compact, helping create a sense of distance and depth. Once the main cloud formations are in place, I allow them some time to dry while continuing with other areas of the painting. For the foreground, I mix a dark earthy brown using yellow, red, and black. Right through the center of the composition, I paint a narrow dirt pathway that guides the viewer's eye toward the horizon. To create the impression of a shallow depression in the ground, I move my brush in gentle curved strokes, almost like half circles. As the path comes closer to the viewer, I gradually make it wider, strengthening the perspective and making the scene feel immersive. Now I mix a deep green using blue, yellow, and a touch of black. On both sides of the pathway, I begin laying in the foliage that will eventually become the long leaves of our flowers. My brush movements are mostly vertical and upward, establishing the general direction and rhythm of the plants. At this stage, I'm focused more on creating movement and structure than on individual details. Returning briefly to the path, I add lighter highlights using the same brown mixture with a little extra yellow and red. Layer by layer, I build subtle ridges and raised areas where sunlight catches the ground. Between these highlights, I introduce darker tones to suggest shadows, small dips, and uneven textures. These contrasts make the pathway feel much more natural and three-dimensional. Before the flowers rise into the sky, it's time to finish the clouds. I carefully return to their edges and brighten them with pure white paint. This gives them a soft, glowing appearance as if they're being illuminated by strong sunlight. I also add thin wisps and scattered fragments of cloud around the larger formations to create a more dynamic and realistic sky. At the heart of the composition is our brilliant summer sun. I begin with a bright white center and gradually radiate the light outward. Then I carefully paint the sun's rays stretching across the sky. These rays help create the dramatic contrast that brings the entire landscape to life and immediately draws the viewer's attention upward. Now comes one of the most exciting parts of the painting, the flowers. By mixing yellow and red, I create a vibrant orange that glows against the blue sky. Starting in the foreground, I paint the nearest flowers larger, more detailed, and spaced farther apart. As they recede into the distance, the flowers become progressively smaller and closer together. This gradual change in size creates a strong sense of perspective and depth. I like to imagine these flowers turning their faces toward the sunlight, almost as if they're reaching for the warmth of the sky. Their gentle upward movement gives the entire scene a feeling of life, growth, and optimism. Using a liner brush and a thin, dark green mixture, I paint the long, elegant stems weaving through the foliage. Many of them curve gracefully, creating natural movement throughout the composition. Between the stems, I begin defining selected leaves more clearly, allowing some to stand out while others remain partially hidden. With lighter greens, I carefully add highlights wherever the sunlight touches the leaves. Little by little, individual leaves begin to emerge from the mass of greenery. In the foreground, I spend extra time refining shapes, edges, and color variations, because nearby objects require greater detail and contrast. The closer leaves become richer, sharper, and more dimensional, helping pull the viewer directly into the scene. I repeat the same process on the opposite side of the pathway, balancing the composition while maintaining a natural, organic look. As the layers of leaves, stems, and flowers come together, the meadow begins to feel alive with sunlight and movement. At this point, the scene feels like a peaceful summer morning. The bright sky stretches endlessly above. The warm sunlight pours across the field, and a narrow path invites us to wander between rows of glowing flowers toward the distant horizon. It's the kind of place where you can pause, breathe deeply, and simply enjoy the beauty of nature. To give the flowers even more realism, I return to them and add brighter highlights to their upper surfaces and the sides facing the sun. These touches break up the flat color and create subtle form and volume. Suddenly, each blossom feels more three-dimensional, as if it is catching real sunlight. For the final finishing touches, I add delicate highlights to the raised areas of the pathway where the sunlight is strongest. And with that, our painting is complete. I hope you enjoyed following along with this creative process as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you for spending your time painting with me today. If you found this tutorial relaxing or inspiring, please consider supporting the channel with a like, a comment, and a subscription.